Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn on read receipts on WhatsApp, updated for the latest version. Whether you're curious to know when your messages are seen or you want your chats to feel more connected, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom or top corner of the screen, depending on your device, and tap on Settings. This is where most of WhatsApp's core features are managed. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Privacy. This section controls how your messages, profile, and activity are shared with others. Take a moment to scroll through if you'd like. You'll see options for last seen, profile photo, and more. But for this video, we're focusing on read receipts. Now, locate the toggle switch next to read receipts. If the switch is gray or off, it means your read receipts are currently disabled, which means others can't see when you've read their messages, and you can't see when they've read yours. To enable this feature, simply tap the toggle so it turns green or blue, depending on your phone's theme. That's it, your read receipts are now on. Once enabled, you'll notice that messages you send will show 2 blue check marks when the recipient has read them. Group chats always show read receipts automatically, so this setting mainly affects individual conversations. Keep in mind, if you decide to turn off read receipts later, you'll also stop seeing when others read your messages. It's a mutual setting on or off for both sides. And there you go. You've just learned how to turn on read receipts on WhatsApp in seconds. Quick, simple, and super useful when you want to stay in tune with your chats. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our other tutorials for more helpful WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching.